Yeah, this is another Garage Bobber custom. It's basically it's an 85 Gold Wing. It's been lowered front and back. There's no suspension on it. You see it. It has struts on the back. So, you know, no suspension. Everything works on it. Fires up the first time. Runs perfectly strong. It's got music on it. It's pretty loud. It's a cool bike to ride. Took maybe about 2 months to build. But I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. It is straight pipe. Sounds pretty good when you give it gas too. It's also got music on it, both sides. Go ahead and show you how it sounds.
These motherfuckers mad that I'm icy. Stunt so hard, make them come in daily.